Mustafa John. Thank you for taking us to places unseen. Mustafa John, exploring the world, living the dream.
Hello everyone, I am Mustafa John. Welcome to John's Studio. This is the 45th episode of the Thailand series. This is the second part of the walking. Welcome to Pattaya, a city that never sleeps. Tonight, we are exploring the vibrant streets of Pattaya. Nasrullah Khan, Majid Jan, and Mahmoud Khan are feeling tired. They decided to sit and relax on the beach. Meanwhile, Ikram and I thought, why not walk around this area? So now Ikram and I are walking along the footpath. This footpath runs between the road and the beach. The cool breeze from the sea makes this walk refreshing. The streets of Pattaya are full of life at night. Neon lights are shining brightly, making the city look magical. People are busy enjoying their time here. Some are shopping, some are eating, and others are just walking around. Pattaya has a unique charm that attracts tourists from all over the world. Music is playing in many places, creating a lively atmosphere. I love exploring new places at night. Walking with Ikram, I can feel the energy of this city. Street vendors are selling all kinds of items. From clothes to souvenirs, you can find everything here. I noticed that Pattaya is cheaper than Bangkok. The cost of shopping here is very affordable. I checked some garment shops and the prices are reasonable. This city is a great place for budget-friendly shopping. The variety of clothes available is impressive. Many tourists prefer shopping here because of the low prices. Pattaya is not just about nightlife. It has a lot to offer. I love how lively and colorful this place is. After exploring, it's time to find some good food. We decided to have dinner at a Turkish restaurant. Turkish cuisine is famous for its rich flavors. The restaurant has a warm and welcoming ambiance.
Nah, yo udah kata ya, si malu يا ريت. Bro, how much this one? Huh? 200. بوسوا. زلت أرزان. اسمينشي زلت شيء أرزان ده. هذا ولا غيره. زلت. हाँ. अब पताया में चीज़ें सस्ती है. अब ये मुझे पता नहीं है कि ये कंबोडिया के बॉर्डर से है, ये आया कंबोडिया से नज़दीक से, वो उधर से एक्सपोर्ट हो रहे या इधर बनते हैं. ये आई डोंट नो. लेकिन बैंकॉक और फुकेट से यहाँ पे सस्ता है. जो गारमेंट्स अभी तक मैंने अहलन व सहलन. और أنا قاعد نتراشتي. هنا كي إكرام داشة تناخلو. ده كذا. How much this one? 300 baht. Sorry. यहाँ पे मैंने 8 ही बात बोली.
We ordered some delicious dishes to try. The aroma of the food is mouth-watering. Finally, our food arrived, and it looks amazing. The taste is even better than we expected. Every bite is full of flavor and spices. Eating here feels like a journey to Turkey. Sharing food with friends makes the experience even better. At the dining table, we had an interesting discussion. Nasrullah Khan shared some useful information with us. We enjoyed our meal while talking about our journey. Good food and great company make for a perfect evening. Pattaya's food scene is diverse and exciting. You can find cuisine from all over the world here. The service at the restaurant was excellent. I highly recommend trying Turkish food in Pattaya. After dinner, we took a short walk again. The night is still young, and the city is alive. Pattaya has something for everyone to enjoy. Whether you like shopping, dining, or just walking, this place is perfect. I love capturing these moments on my camera. The memories we are making here will stay with us forever. Traveling is all about exploring and experiencing new things. Pattaya is definitely a city worth visiting. Every corner of this city has a story to tell. The lights, the people, and the energy make it unforgettable. I feel lucky to be here with my friends. This trip has been full of fun and adventure. And that's where I'll end this video today. I hope you enjoyed exploring Pattaya with me. It has been an amazing experience walking through these vibrant streets. In the next video, I will take you to the other side of Thailand. There's so much more to see and experience in this beautiful country. I can't wait to share more exciting moments with you. Stay tuned for the next adventure. Thank you for watching and being a part of this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to John Studio. See you in the next video. Take care and goodbye. So stay tuned and don't forget to join me in the next adventure. Until then, take good care of your health and always be kind to the people around you. Show love and care to those who live near you because small acts of kindness make the world a better place. Thank you for watching, and I truly appreciate your support. Keep in touch with me, and I will see you in the next video with more exciting experiences. Take care of yourself, stay happy, and keep exploring new places. Goodbye for now, and see you soon in the next video.